Hey everyone, quick tip lang if you're somebody who's trying to conserve data in Google Meet, specifically sa PC nga platform, kaya ang kanina solution is not available sa mobile. So what you guys can do is go to more options, settings, video. So okay, let me use YouTube analogy on you guys. So let's say nga tanong kag YouTube tapos sine kayo ang pagload sa video. Unsay buhaton ninyo? Di ba inyo i-switch which is usually from HD into low quality? So, muna na itong buhaton sa dere. So, two options over here. One is to send video sa imong side on sa imong ipakita sa imong teachers and classmates. You can either go high def or low def. Napay option na auto, which is ang Google mag-decide depending on your internet speed. Pero here is what I want to emphasize. There is, apart from these two, kaya na ay audio only or one video at a time. Self-explanatory na, right? So, essentially, one video at a time, iya i-enable nga usa ra ka video ang matan-aw nimo. Bahalag nag-on cam ang tanan, pero usa lang ka video ang imong makit-an. And the good thing is, usually ang i-prioritize ani is ang presenter. So either that or mag-audio only ka. I hope naka-help ko sa inyong meet guys. Stay safe.